A joint group of protesters, including the FKJGP Garo Hills Unit, the ADE, JSU, AYWO, the FAF and the TGCSU, continued their demonstration for the second consecutive day outside the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC office. The protest, which began on the 24th of April, aimed to press the government to address key issues affecting the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. The protesters, under the leadership of the president of the FKJGP Garo Hills Unit, Pritam Areng, demanded the creation of a separate electoral roll for the GHADC, arguing that the current general role undermines the purpose of autonomous district councils, which is to safeguard the rights of indigenous tribal communities. The FKJGP president also pointed to a resolution passed by the council in November 2024 advocating for this change and expressed concern that the committee formed to implement the necessary amendments has yet to function. The protesters also called for the expedited implementation of the Garo customary laws, noting that a resolution on the matter was unanimously passed by all members of the district council on the 20th of November. They alleged that the bill remains pending with the District Council Affairs Department of the state government. Additionally, the joint bodies criticized the GHADC for its lack of transparency and accountability, urging the introduction of proper mechanisms to ensure better governance and integrity within the council.
We demonstrate in front of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. This sitting demonstration has been going on from yesterday, that is 24th of April, and today, that is 25th of April. This sitting demonstration is projected to show the government that we are serious about certain issues regarding the GHADC. One of the issues that we are pursuing with the GHADC is the separate electoral law, which we really feel that is the need of the hour, because the autonomous district councils are meant for the indigenous people of the state, and because these autonomous district councils, the very essence of the autonomous district council is to safeguard the interests of the indigenous people, that is the tribal people. So we are asking that the general electoral roll should not be applicable to the ADCs. That is why we are asking for a separate electoral roll in the GHADC. And I think in the month of November 2024, they have passed the resolution, the district council MDCs, they have passed the resolution in the district council that separate electoral roll will be pursued, and for that matter, some amendments will have to be done in certain rules regarding elections. So for that amendment, they have constituted a committee. However, till that the committee has not functioned, it's not functional as of yet. That's why we are asking the GHADC to speed up the process so that the committee will function and the necessary amendments can be met, so that this separate electoral roll can be met for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And second, we are asking for the quick codification of Ghadc customary law, because on the same date, that is on November 20th, I think it was on 20th November 2024, they passed another resolution, all the MDCs of GHADC, the Treasury and the opposition included. They have passed the resolution that the codification of Ghadc customary law should be done. And so that bill has been forwarded to the state government, to the DCA. I think it's still pending with the DCA. So we are just reminding the government that the process should be sped up, so that this Ghadc customary law should be implemented in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And furthermore, we have seen that the functioning of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is deteriorating due to one factor, that is the council, especially the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, has been very much unaccountable and untransparent. It has never been transparent. So we are asking from some mechanisms so that transparency and accountability will be there in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So the three mechanisms we are asking for is to create a finance rule for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and to create service rules for the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and we are also asking for a public accounts committee, and that committee, the chairman of that committee should be from among the elected MDCs and also from the opposition bench, as in line with the public accounts committee of the government of Meghalaya. So these are the things that we are pursuing with the council, but we are not keeping any timeline by when it should be done, because these are 5 different issues. So we'll be pursuing this. We'll be, I think, in the second week or first week of May, we'll be going to Shillong. We'll pursue it with the DCA, the District Council Affairs Minister, President Tin Song also will go and meet him regarding the issue of GCL, and regarding this separate electoral roll. We'll again meet the GHDC CEM, because he has told us that they're in the process of structuring that committee, which will look after the amendment